Lima Yusuf, na kira ki farar aniya. A beam comprises of rays of the moon piercing darkness of night. Lima sarauniyar ɗauri, for your turban, Masha Allah. I call it a dahlia. A reality of dreams is your face, a shadow of light, a brim of beauty I name you. Lima, limitless to any definition. Koda an hada da intimidation. All eyes must be visible. Lima's secret is never invincible, because you are invincible. A single glimpse at you keep eyes frozen, listening to the melodious voice sent by your beauty. So they ask, the secret behind your beauty, and I said, Lima's secret.